KOVAI Classic Industries make hand-operated post-hole digger. A post-hole digger is a tool used to dig narrow holes to install posts, such as for fences and signs. There are different kinds of post-hole diggers. A post-hole pincer, pictured, is jabbed into the ground in the open position until the blades are buried. A quick description about KCI. KOVAI Classic Industries is an established and well-known unit specialized in manufacturing and marketing of agricultural machineries and implements registered under SSI, Small Scale Industry, NSIC, the National Small Industries Corporation Limited, with an experience of more than 25 years. For more details, please visit www.kovaiclassicindustries.net, www.kovaiclassicindustries.com. For queries, please do comment or call us to the provided number in the description box.